Yeah, Michael, we are live from Joplin this morning. We're at Homewood Suites, and this morning we are joined by Jessica Tupper-Moss, who is with Chase the Chill. And for those who don't know what Chase the Chill is, could you please just give us the rundown?
Sure. We are basically a charity event that happens once a year annually, and what we do is donate from the community. We have a bunch of collection sites and community partners, and we donate scarves, hats, and accessories, gloves for anybody in need in the community that needs warmth this winter.
That's so cool. All right, so behind you we've got the buckets here that people can make their donations in. How has this evolved over the past 6 years?
So there's a little bit of changes, obviously, with COVID this year. Every year on Thursday night, we're usually the second week of December. This year we're the first week of December. So on Thursday the 3rd, we all meet here at Homewood Suites, and we are going to tag the scarves with a love note before it goes out into the community. On Saturday after, we have everything bagged and ready to go out to the community, and basically we have volunteers that are just going to go everywhere and yarn bomb the city. And then whoever needs it, if you see it and you want it, you take it.
And how many have you been able, how many scarves, how many gloves, what are we talking donation-wise this year? Because it's 2020 is a little different.
It is a little different. Last year we had over 1,000 items. This year we were kind of hoping for maybe 500 to 600. Right now we are sitting at just a little over 600. So we've met our COVID goal, and we have 2 weeks to go. This is our biggest push. So we're excited.
That's so cool. All right, so if people want to take part in it, whether it's donating, whether it's tagging any of these, what do they need to do? Where do they need to go?
They can get a hold of me via Facebook. We have a page, Chase the Chill Joplin. They can message me on there. My cell phone's on there. I answer messages all day long. Just get a hold of me. Let me know what you're interested in. We have crocheters, we have sewers, we have taggers, we have just people who come and distribute on Saturday morning. If your business is interested in just having a tote next year for us, that counts too. And there are many ways to just get involved, so just message me.
Awesome. Well, I would be a fool to not ask you. Why do you continue to do this year after year?
Well, I was just basically a donator. I just kind of dropped my stuff off and walked away. And then the last 2 years, I got involved in the tagging. But recently, my grandparents, who were pretty big in the community, with Ronald McDonald House and organizations like that, passed. And so I really wanted to continue that legacy. And last year, Anne passed this off to me, and I just happened to know how to crochet. I was taught by my other grandma when I was 4, so it fit. So here I am.
That's awesome. Well, I'm sure they would be very proud to know that you're continuing this on, because it's a fantastic program. We're going to have all the information on our website. Thank you so much.
Definitely. Thank you guys.
We really appreciate it. We will send it back to the studio, but we'll make sure we have all the Chase the Chill info on our website at KOAMnewsNow.com. Just head to our morning show page, and Michael, we'll toss it back to you.
All right, thank you, Jesse. We'll be back with more KOAM Morning News right after this.